Hello. Presentation personal. My first name is Danny. D-A-N-M-I. My middle name is Arley. M-R-N-E-9. I am from the municipality of Providencia, Nariño. I am 27 years old. Study the technology in environmental sanitation. I really like bikes. My house. This is the room. There are the furniture. There is the vase. There is the maceder. There are the photographs. There is the glass table. This is the kitchen. This is the kitchen oven. There are the pots. There is the solvent. There are the dishes. There are the clothes. There is the laundry room. Thank you.